Going backward, right feet together, right feet together, right feet together. Now going forward, I will change. Left feet together, left feet together, left feet together. Backward, same as we did before. Right, right, right. One more time, forward with the left. Left, left, and backward with the right. Right feet together, right feet together, right feet together. One more time, left together, left together, and going backward with your right. One more time, let's do it a few times. We can try this with music. Every time I go forward, I step with the left, feet together. Every time I go backward, I go with my right feet together. Here I rest and I change. Again. Backward. Forward. Use a little bit of counter body motion.
De mi eterno andar, tristeza amarga de la soledad, ansias enormes de llegar. Sabrás que por la vida fui buscándote, que mis ensueños sin querer rompí y en algún cruce los dejé. Mi andar apresuré con la esperanza de encontrarte aquí, largos caminos silvané, leguas y leguas recorrí. Después que entre tus brazos pueda descansar, si lo prefieres volveré a marchar por mi camino de ayer.
Just what Marcelo was showing, to use the contra body a little bit, the dissociation, it really helps you when you take the step to give that impulse when you use the contra body.
Exactly. And when we do it together with a partner, what we did backward is the leader and what we did forward is the follower. So then when we put it together, our counter body motion will go parallel with each other.